In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word. Proper paragraph spacing plays a huge role in making your documents look clean, readable, and professional. Whether you're working on a school paper, a business report, or any type of written content, knowing how to control spacing will instantly improve your formatting. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. You can adjust spacing for a single paragraph or for the entire document. If you want to change spacing for specific paragraphs only, click and drag to highlight the text you want to adjust. If you want to apply spacing to the whole document, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything. Once your text is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the paragraph group, you'll see an icon that looks like lines with arrows pointing up and down. This is the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. Click on it to open a menu. From here, you can quickly choose preset spacing options, such as single spacing, 1.15, 1.5, or double spacing. If your paragraphs look too crowded or too spread out, switching between these options can instantly fix the layout. However, paragraph spacing is not just about line spacing. Microsoft Word also adds extra space before or after paragraphs by default, which is often what causes uneven gaps. To control this, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button again and select Remove Space After Paragraph. This is especially helpful when your text looks inconsistent even though the line spacing appears correct. For more precise control, open the Paragraph dialog box. You can do this by clicking the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the paragraph group. A new window will appear where you can manually adjust spacing. In this dialog box, look for the Spacing section. Here, you'll see options for before and after spacing. Increasing the before value adds space above a paragraph, while increasing the after value adds space below it. Adjust these values gradually until the spacing looks balanced and professional. You can also control line spacing from the same window. Under line spacing, choose options like single, multiple, or exactly, depending on your formatting needs. This is particularly useful for academic papers or documents with strict formatting requirements. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click OK to apply the changes. A helpful tip is to keep paragraph spacing consistent throughout your document. Avoid pressing the Enter key multiple times to create space, as this can cause formatting problems later. Using proper paragraph spacing ensures your document stays clean and easy to edit. And that's it. You now know how to adjust space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word using both quick tools and advanced settings. Mastering this feature will make your documents look more polished and easier to read. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.